When was the last time you asked yourself, is anyone even noticing how hard I'm holding on? How many times have you gone to bed, exhausted from waiting for something that still hasn't arrived, wondering if all this patience is actually going anywhere? You've held things together that would have broken most people. You've stayed steady through delays that tested everything in you, and you've quietly wondered if any of it is even being seen. It is. Every bit of it. Give me a few minutes, and I'll show you exactly why. Nobody hands out recognition for waiting well. There is no moment where someone tells you, I saw how you handled that delay with grace. The world only tends to notice results, not the restraint it took to get there. But Allah doesn't operate like the world does. He doesn't wait for applause to exist before something counts. The patience you've shown with 0 witnesses, 0 recognition, 0 acknowledgement, that's not patience that went unnoticed. That's patience recorded exactly as it happened, in full. There is a version of you that only comes out late at night, when the day's performance is finally over, the version that stops pretending to be fine, that finally lets the exhaustion show. You've hidden that version from almost everyone in your life, but you never hid it from Allah, because you couldn't. He was present for every one of those unguarded moments, the ones where the waiting actually hurt, and He didn't look away from any of it. At some point in the waiting, silence starts to feel like abandonment. You start assuming that if He were truly listening, something would have shifted by now. But silence and absence are not the same thing. A parent can be fully present in a room without saying a word. Allah's silence has never once meant He stepped away. It's meant He's still deciding the shape and the timing of what's coming, while staying completely present through every second of your waiting. Nobody waits for years and comes out exactly the same person who started waiting. Something in you has been reshaped by this, your patience, your reliance on Allah, your ability to sit with uncertainty without falling apart. That transformation wasn't a side effect of the delay. It may have been part of the actual purpose behind it. The version of you being built through this wait might be just as important as whatever you're waiting to receive. Nothing about this has been wasted. Not the tears that fell when no one was around to see them. Not the prayers whispered through exhaustion. Not the moments you chose to stay soft instead of turning bitter. Every one of those moments has already been recorded, valued, and remembered. Whether or not you've ever felt like it mattered while you were living through it. Your patience was never invisible to Allah. It was only invisible to everyone else around you. Comment, still waiting, if this is exactly where you are right now. And if you know someone who's been patient in silence for far too long, send this to them. Allah Hafiz.